Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, his personal security officer, an attendant and 2 crew members, the pilot in command and first officer were on board the Bombardier Learjet 45. The chartered aircraft that took off from Mumbai airport at 8:10 a.m. on Tuesday morning. Flight tracking data from flight radar shows the jet flying over the Arabian Sea before turning inland towards Baramati. However, the landing was aborted. At about 8:42 a.m., the Learjet began its second approach to the runway. Moments later, at 8:45 a.m., the aircraft disappeared from radar. What followed was catastrophic.
दुर्घटना तब हुई जब 8:30 बजे, पौने 9 बजे के करीब ये विमान जो है बारामती के विमानतल यानी गोजवावी के पास लैंड होने जा रहा था। आज बारामती में डिप्टी सीएम अजीत पवार इनके जिला परिषद चुनाव के लिए 4 सभाएं आयोजित की गई थी, रैली जिसमें अजीत पवार लोगों को संबोधित करने वाले थे। इसके लिए सुबह से बंबई से आज बारामती उप मुख्यमंत्री अजीत पवार पहुंच रहे थे, तभी यह दुर्घटना हुई है और इस दुर्घटना में अजीत पवार इनकी दर्दनाक मौत हुई है।
Charred debris and mangled wreckage was scattered across the airfield as thick plumes of smoke rose from the crash site.
एक दर्दनाक हादसे से पूरा महाराष्ट्र सदमे में पहुंचा है, क्योंकि डिप्टी सीएम अजीत पवार इनकी एक विमान दुर्घटना में मौत हुई है। और यहाँ पर देखिए, मैं फिलहाल बारामती के पास गोजबावी गांव में मौजूद हूँ, जहाँ पर ये दुर्घटना हुई है। यहाँ पर देखिए, ये जो दुर्घटनाग्रस्त विमान है, यहाँ की हालत देखिए। ये दुर्घटनाग्रस्त विमान जो है सुबह 8:45 बजे बारामती विमानतल के पास लैंडिंग होने के लिए उतर रहा था, तब ही इसका दर्दनाक हादसा हुआ है।
Eyewitnesses say the jet was aligned towards the runway when it suddenly lost altitude, crashing nearly 100 feet short of the runway threshold. The aircraft burst into flames immediately after the impact, exploding into a ball of fire. The first time the plane went over us, I was with my brother. It was approximately 8:45 a.m. Soon after that, the plane fell. There was a loud explosion and the plane never landed on the runway. We were very scared watching the explosion. We ran with buckets of water. Some dead bodies were scattered. We covered some with blankets. We were very scared. According to the aircraft operator, Delhi-based VSR Ventures, poor visibility may have forced the pilot to pull up and attempt another approach. The aircraft involved was a Bombardier Learjet 45, a 6 to 8-seater business jet built in 2010. Known for its speed and fuel efficiency, the twin-engine jet is commonly used for short to medium-haul flights. Despite its track record, aviation experts say final approach and landing remain the most critical phases of flight, especially under low visibility conditions.
I feel very sad because I've been flying. I myself have been flying him when I was flying for Government of Maharashtra. So it's a very, very sad incident, very unfortunate incident for us and for VSR. We have been flying Mr. Pawar in and out to Baramati. This is not the first flight that we're doing now. And it is prima facie lag raha hai ki it is a matter of low visibility.
The Directorate General of Civil Aviation, that is the DGCA, is expected to conduct a detailed investigation including analysis of flight data, weather conditions and crew communication. Only the official probe will determine what went wrong in the final moments of the flight. According to the latest statement by the Ministry of Civil Aviation, the first contact between the Baramati ATC and Ajit Pawar's plane happened at 8:18 a.m., where it was given clearance to descend. The wind was calm and visibility was 3 kilometers. The first approach was attempted, but the runway was not visible. The crew initiated a go-around. During the second attempt, the crew first reported that the runway was not in sight, later saying they had sighted the runway. At 8:43 a.m., The plane was given clearance to land by the ATC on runway 11. However, this time the pilots did not respond to the ATC's landing clearance. Next, the ATC saw the flames around the threshold of runway 11 at 8:44 am. A shocking end to a routine charter flight and a devastating loss for Maharashtra politics. As investigators piece together the final seconds before the crash, the focus remains on what caused the aircraft to go down during its second landing attempt.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.